Hey folks, get ready for a blast from the past with a twist of the future. This year's Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance is going to be lit, thanks to the resurrection of a classic supercar, the Honda HPX concept. Originally unveiled 4 decades ago at the 1984 Turin Auto Show, this beauty is making a grand comeback at the North American Auto Show. Now, let me paint you a picture. The HPX is a mid-engine supercar designed by the legendary Italian firm Pininfarina. This baby was all about sharp angles and futuristic vibes. Imagine a jet engine-inspired cockpit with Knight Rider-like advanced tech. It's like the 80s got a sneak peek into the 21st century. And guess what? This is the first time in over 40 years that a Japanese vehicle will grace the Pebble Beach event. Mark your calendars for August 18, 2024, because this masterpiece will compete in the Wedge-Shaped concept cars and prototypes class, the 73rd annual event. Dave Merrick, Acura's design executive and honorary Pebble Beach Concours judge, says the HPX was more than just a concept. It was a trailblazer. It inspired the design and engineering of future marvels like the Acura NSX. Even after so many years, it stands as a testament to Honda and Pininfarina's innovative spirit. Felix Gilbertus, Pininfarina's chief creative officer, couldn't agree more, highlighting its undeniable influence on subsequent Honda models and the broader automotive world. Under the hood, or should I say behind the cockpit, the HPX boasts a mid-mounted 2.0-liter DOHC 24-valve V6 engine. Getting into this car feels like boarding a fighter jet. No doors, just a Perspex canopy that comes off. Not only does this add to the aerodynamics, but it also doubles as an air brake. Talk about being ahead of its time. The lightweight body is crafted from carbon fiber, Kevlar, and honeycomb paneling, materials that were rare and insanely expensive back in the day. The restored HPX keeps its iconic two-tone white and navy blue paint job with red accent. Step inside and you're greeted with a nostalgic red and white suede interior and a button-dominated center stack console. The car features an in-house developed electronic drive support system, offering real-time telemetry data, GPS navigation, and adaptability to road conditions. Functionality and comfort were clearly top priorities.